What's up, ladies and gentlemen, weapons? What we're doing today is I've got a brand new wireless, actually it is wired. It's a Wi-Fi, Google Wi-Fi home Wi-Fi system by Google. Okay, yeah, whatever. But I've got this, and then I also have, because this only has one port in, one port out, I've got a Ethernet hub to go alongside it. So we're gonna unbox these, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, so hold on just a second. And we're back. Alright, so I'm going to unbox this real quick and we'll just use this knife and see what we got. If I can find out how to unbox it. I'm the worst at these things. They're always talking in the background too, y'all. I'm sorry about that. But right now we've got Joe Cinematography holding the camera. He's being my cameraman for right now. So if you want to go check his channel out, I will leave a link in the description. Also check my gaming channel out for any gaming footage and stuff. I'm going to be playing a lot of World of Warcraft here, and August 27th is when the classic weapon comes out. Oh, I can pull tab. It's a pull tab, people. I don't have to use my knife. This is a nice box. Alright, so there's first impressions. First impressions right there. Looks pretty nice. Just pops right out. Has, I don't know which one's in and which one's out, but it's got a micro USB, no, Type-C cable, Ethernet in, Ethernet out. And then in the box, below that, is let's get started with Google. Google Wi-Fi, how to set it up, that stuff. And then we've got the cables, and that's all we have in this box. Oh, oops. Here's the Type-C charging cable. And here is a Ethernet cable, which is really weird because this looks like a phone Ethernet cable from like forever ago. So, like a dial-up cable. So, I'm going to open this box up, and then I'll let y'all go for the day and for the night. Let's see. They got all quiet on us. I'm not a singer, so don't judge me. Alright, so what comes in this? This is the Netgear 5-port gigabit Ethernet switch, Ethernet gigabit 5 ports. Yeah, basically it's just 5 ports to extend your Ethernet cables out to around the house that you don't use Wi-Fi for. So it comes with a quick start guide, as everything usually does. 3 simple steps to peace of mind. Download now, an app thing, and then this is the actual product right here. I'll pop it out of here. This is the actual switch port with, I hope this is the right thing. Should be. So it's got 4 or 5 ports in the back, so I'm guessing one goes in and then the others go out. Hopefully that works. And then the charging cable, which is like a laptop charger sort of, and that's it. So thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen weapons. The links of Joe's Cinematography will be in the description, and the Silent Weapon games will also be in the description. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen weapons. Peace out.